Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. So today I'm going to share in my personal favorite recipe, which is a layer biryani, veg dum biryani. So it came out very well, very aromatic, very tasty. Trust me, you know need not go to the restaurant for this. So stay tuned for my recipe. So first step, we are going to soak in some basmati rice. So take in some good quality basmati rice. Wash it well. Add in some water and we will cover this and soak this for about 1 hour. Step 2 is preparing the kesar milk. So in a small bowl I am going to take in some hot boiling milk and adding in 2 pinches of kesar, and again keep this aside and just allow this to soak in for about half an hour. Now in the third step, we will prepare the brishta, which is the fried onion, which is the main star for the biryani. So keeping the flame as low medium here, in a pan we will add in about 1/4 cup of oil. Yes, we need a lot of oil because we are kind of deep frying the onions indirectly. And here I have taken in 5 medium sliced onions and just keep frying it while doing the other stuff at the side, so it will take some time. So you need to fry it to this color. Okay, turn off the flame immediately and then drain out the oil from the onions and place it on a tissue so that the excess oil is all drained out. Immediately once you turn off the stove, it will not be crispy. So once all the oil is drained, when you keep it on the tissue, it will start to become more crispier. Also, I am securing the onion fried oil because it will be tasty and we will be using it at the end. Keep this aside. Now in step 4, we will be doing the gravy with the vegetables. So firstly, I have blended with some green chilies, garlic and ginger with a little bit of water. In a mixing bowl, I'm adding in some curds, the blended paste, turmeric powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, and a good quality biryani masala. So you need to find a very aromatic biryani masala, or you can prepare at home itself. Okay, I have already also added in some mint leaves and coriander leaves and the veggies like beans, carrot, frozen paneer. You can even add mushroom if you want. And I'm going to add in some lemon juice, some green peas, frozen green peas, adding in 2 teaspoons of salt, and we will mix all of this well together. I have also added in half of the brishta and few of potatoes, cubed potatoes. Mix it well and we'll cover this and marinate this for about half an hour. So keeping the flame as low medium in a pan, we will add in some oil and add in the marinated veggies. We'll cover this and cook this for about 20 minutes while stirring occasionally. Then we will prepare the rice for the biryani. So in a kadai, add in some water. To that add in bay leaves, pepper, cinnamon, star anise, cardamom, marat mogu, cumin seeds, green chilies and some salt and 2 slices of lemon. So let us allow this to boil for about 2 minutes. Once it has started to boil, so we will gradually add in the soaked rice without the water and slowly cook this while stirring occasionally for about 10 minutes till the rice has absorbed about 90% of the water, and it is the consistency of the rice should be like that. So immediately turn off the flame and drain in all the water and just spread out the rice so that it cools down, it doesn't further cook, and we will remove the lemon slices and keep this aside. So now we come to the last step, that is the layering of the rice. So I have condensed the video so well that it hasn't taken too much long time also, but it has given you all the details. Okay, so first I'm not turning on the flame right now. I'm keeping a pan and on that a huge vessel, and I'll add in some oil, and then the first layer will be the gravy. I'll evenly spread it out. Then that is half of the gravy. Okay, and now I'm going to add in half of the rice similar way and spread it out evenly. And now I'm going to add in 3 teaspoons of the kesar milk. Just put it around in a circle. Now we have other half of the brishta. So now first I'm adding in 1/4 of the quantity. We are only left with 1/4 of the quantity again. Okay. After that I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of pudina leaves, 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, 2 teaspoons of the same biryani masala. Just sprinkle it all around the rice like this and repeat the same step. So basically you finish off the half gravy, half rice, and the remaining 1/4 brishta in this step again. Okay, repeat the same steps. And I'm adding it a bit of kevra water. You can also use biryani essence or rose essence. And that I had told you about the onion oil. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to add in a large amount of ghee, like about 8 tablespoons, because ghee gives you the flavor. No matter what, you don't get the flavor with just the oil. Okay, so you need to add amount of ghee since it's a biryani and it's a homemade, and you can use a home village style ghee if you are so health conscious of buying it from the store. So this is how you do it. You secure it with the chapati dough, and then you turn on the stove to low, and let us allow this to cook on dum for about 25 minutes, and then turn off the flame and let it rest for about 15 minutes. So basically total of 25 minutes of cooking and 15 minutes of resting. Okay, turn off the flame after 25 minutes and rest for 15 minutes. And then you remove off all the dough, and voila, your biryani is ready. Okay, take a flat spatula and slowly scoop up the rice from the bottom so that you don't break in the biryani rice. As you can see, all the rice grains are separate. It has not been soggy nor it has been too hard. It is the perfect consistency. So trust me guys, you need not go to the restaurants to eat such a biryani. Okay, it is pakka homemade and wonderful aroma because of that biryani masala. That is why I told you the main star is the brishta and the biryani masala. So select these two and your biryani will come out pakka, and I'll challenge you for that. So go try out this recipe and tell me in the comment section down below how you liked it. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.